Hey Cougs, I hope you had a great weekend and are ready for a fun week ahead because we have some exciting events this week. The Frontier Fiesta Association is proud to announce a new and interactive week of events for all to enjoy named Fiesta Live. Monday will be a night to remember with a relaxed, paint-along mini concert. From 7 to 9:30, you can enjoy a socially distanced concert with candlelights, performances, free snacks, and refreshments, all from your own blankets. On Tuesday, come join the fun at Splash Zone, a distance water fight game taking place at Lynn Houston Park from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Later at 6 in the Houston Room, explore Hispanic culture and win prizes through a Loteria night. Did you know, throughout her working life, a woman earns roughly $1 million less than a man simply because she is a woman? Join the Women and Gender Resource Center on Wednesday at 10 a.m. along with the Women's Gender and Sexuality Studies for a 2-hour workshop focused on negotiating a fair salary. Decorate a succulent pot at the Student Center North Lobby on Wednesday from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Keep one for yourself and help decorate one to donate to Star of Hope. Log in with Fiesta Live on Thursday from 8 to 10:30 and play virtual games such as Among Us. Join an escape room, have your tarot cards read, and your character drawn. Join us for the University of Houston's first double feature drive-in. Bring your friends and family to the TDECU Stadium, enjoy snacks and refreshments from the comfort of your vehicle. Soul will be showing on Friday at 8 p.m. and Tenet will be showing at 10:20 p.m. Spaces will be made available for people without cars to walk in. Okay, Cougs, that's all for this week. I hope you have some socially distanced fun. I'm Alicia Gibbs, and always remember to stay in the loop.